What is facial recognition? Have you ever wondered how a smartphone is unlocked by your face? How faces are used to track students' attendance in a classroom? This is because of a facial recognition technology. The industry is expected to increase up to $8.5 billion by 2025. But what is facial recognition actually? Facial recognition is a way of identifying or confirming an individual's identity using their face. Facial recognition system can be used to identify people in photos, videos, or in real time. The boom in artificial intelligence after 2010 has marked the decade in which facial recognition technology has rapidly increased due to increased computations and processing available today, and tons of researches in deep learning. As AI mimics human intelligence, facial recognition is also inspired from human brain and how they learn faces. Recent face recognition algorithms like FaceNet has surpassed human accuracy to recognize faces with almost 100% accuracy. How does facial recognition work? Facial recognition system can vary, but in general they tend to operate as follows. The first step is a face identification. The camera detects and locates the image of a face either alone or in a crowd. The image may show the person looking straight ahead or in a profile. Then in the second step, the face analysis is done. The software reads the geometry of your face. Key factor includes the distance between your eyes, the depth of your eye socket, the distance from forehead to chin, the shape of your cheekbones, and the contour of the lips, ears, or the chin. The aim is to identify the facial landmarks that are key to distinguishing your face. Then these images are converted to the data. Your face analysis is essentially turned into a mathematical formula. The numerical code is called a face print. In the same way that thumb prints are unique, each person has their own face print. Your face print is then compared against a database of other faces. If your face print matches an image in a facial recognition database, then a determination is made. How facial recognition is used? The technology is used for a wide variety of purposes. These include unlocking phones. Various phones, including the most recent iPhones, use facial recognition to unlock the device. The technology offers a powerful way to protect personal data and ensures that sensitive data remains inaccessible if the phone is stolen. Law enforcement agencies use mobile face recognition technology to use smartphone, tablets, or other portable devices to take a photo of a driver or a pedestrian in the field and immediately compare that photo against one or more face recognition database to attempt an identification. Face recognition technology is also used in airports and border control. Facial recognition has become a familiar sight at many airports around the world. Increasing number of travelers hold biometric passport, which allow them to skip the ordinary long lines and instead walk through an automated e-passport control to reach the gate faster. And there are many more examples where facial recognition has made tremendous progress. These are some of the state-of-the-art algorithms for facial recognition. The PCA, Fisher Face, Hidden Markov models, and there are many CNN-based models that are FaceNet, probabilistic face embeddings, arc face, cos face, and sphere face. So this is all about facial recognition technology in a nutshell. In the next video, we will be looking at various algorithms for face recognition and how do they work. Thank you.